Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and I am finishing up with my guest Karen here. We did a 1-row installation of natural beaded rose extensions and just curling and fluffing, getting ready for the photo part at the end of the appointment. And I like to take my time and really style it well. If anything looks off, I will take the time to just take a few minutes, curl those extra little pieces that maybe didn't lay right or that are poking out straight, because it's really important that we get the look that we're trying to go for, because that's what people are going to see as our marketing on social media. So then I'll take my camera and really get up in there for the shot, moving my light around and just making sure I get the best angle, the best lighting to really highlight what we've done for our guest. And just perfecting that shot and making sure everything feels amazing. And then I always take a look at a few of the photos with my client so that they know exactly how amazing their photos turned out, and really give them a bird's eye view of what their hair looks like and just the beauty and confidence that just shines right through. To learn more about natural beaded rose extensions at Strand Salon, click the link in my bio, and we'll see you soon.